When it comes to a kitchen camping setup, this is the way to do it. Let me show you the details. This whole thing takes only about 10 minutes to set up, but wow, what a difference. So you have your camping stove, but now you have a whole cook area, prep area, not to mention like an entire kitchen down here with shelves, easy to zip and open it, get access to everything you need. You even have it down here, over here, got all the spices, everything's set, plus the hard top here. And you have this, you have that. Like it just keeps going on. And also this where you can set everything up. So again, really, really simple, but gives you so much extra space, perfect for camping. And then it even has leveling feet since nothing's ever level when you're camping. So if you're looking to elevate your dining in the outdoors, this is perfect.